Broken webs. Teaching strategy, inquisitive method. The inquisitive method, also known as inquiry-based science education or IBSE, is a form of teaching that gives the student the opportunity to explore a subject, topic, through hands-on activities, investigation, and posing of questions. It is designed to reflect how students actually learn and engages students in the process of scientific inquiry. Increasingly, it is seen as key to developing their scientific literacy, enhancing their understanding of scientific concepts, and heightening their appreciation of how science works. This type of learning is often hands-on and allows students to connect what they are learning in the classroom and the real world. Inquisitive method learning has been shown to improve critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and creativity. In order to exemplify this method, the Broken Webs class was chosen to apply one of the approaches used within this teaching strategy, considering it the most suitable to achieve our goals, the inquiry-based science approach. A problem-based inquiry approach is a problem-solving approach to inquiry-based learning. In this type of approach, students are given a real-world problem to solve. This type of inquiry-based learning is often used in mathematics, engineering, and science classes, where students are asked to apply what they have learned to solve a real-world problem. Additionally to this, we also use the guided inquiry approach, which is teacher-led approach to inquiry-based learning. In this type of approach, the teacher guides the students through the inquiry process and helps them to ask questions and find solutions to real-world problems. This was our procedure during the students' activity, The Effects of Natural Disasters on Food Webs. The benefits of these strategies. The first one encourages critical thinking. Inquisitive method learning encourages students to think critically about the information they are presented with. In our case, the videos showed at the beginning of the lesson. They are asked to question the information and develop their own solutions. This type of learning helps students develop problem-solving skills and critical thinking skills. The second one is that improves problem-solving skills. Inquiry-based learning helps students develop problem-solving skills. When they are given the opportunity to explore real-world problems, in our case, the hypothesis about the flood destroying the food chain. Therefore, they are forced to think outside the box and come up with their own solutions. This is an important skill that will help them in their future careers. The third one would be that it connects learning to the real world. The inquisitive method helps connect learning to the real world. When students are allowed to explore problems that exist in the real world, such as natural disasters due to global warming, they can see how what they are learning in the classroom is relevant. This also helps them develop a better understanding of the material. The fourth one shows us that it helps students understand complex topics. The inquisitive method can also help students understand complex topics such as global warming and its effects worldwide. When they are allowed to explore these topics in a hands-on environment, they can learn about them more meaningfully. Number 5. It encourages engaged learning. Finally, this type of learning encourages engaged learning. When students are actively involved in the learning process, they are more likely to retain the information. This is due to the fact that they are invested in what they are doing. In our science lesson plan, students will take knowledge about broken webs, food chains. Students will investigate the problem after being informed through various resources. They will explore different apps and investigate the process which leads to the destruction of both natural habitats and consequently food chains because of the impact the global warming has upon them. This way, science will be the instrument through which the students get acquainted with the information, and later on they will be able to act against global warming in a personal way so as to prevent these natural disasters from happening. It is important for students to understand the complete picture and determine their own position based on research and evidence, rather than emotional arguments. In addition, they need to accept that these issues are real, but with the help of science, they can understand better the causes for which these disasters happen and find solutions towards climate change. Thank you for watching.